Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and PageSpeed Insights. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO, and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, Google PageSpeed is a family of tools by Google designed to help optimize website performance. PageSpeed Insights reports on the user experience of a page on both mobile and desktop devices and provides suggestions on how that page may be improved. You can get your PageSpeed score and use PageSpeed suggestions to make your website faster through our online tool. Run the open-source PageSpeed modules on your Apache or Nginx server to rewrite and optimize resources on your website automatically. You can ask any question about PageSpeed Insights on Stack Overflow. PageSpeed Insights is a free tool that Google offers to help developers improve their websites and rankings. If you want to use both Mangools and PageSpeed Insight for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.